Hello guys, welcome to Pro Players Game. We got an exciting match over here. RTZ on the Phantom Lancer and Scofield on the Snapfire. Scofield, he needs to be careful. He got a lot of stacks. He has the stick charges and the Fairy Fire. Batrider now going in. Snapfire, he will use the stick charges and the Fairy Fire. Batrider, he's getting low. He will die to the tower. Snapfire will get the first blood. Top lane, Crit taking a lot of damage from the right clicks of Death Prophet. The DP is she is low, and now the lifestack variable hit. Crate will burn him down. Mid lane, Batrider committing with the Firefly. Now the cookie it won't connect, and now Batrider will get the kill. Snapfire making a rotation towards top lane. RTG he is low. Snapfire he needs another two more creeps for the level 6. RTG jumping in. Now the doppelganger will be used. RTG he will go back to safety. Now Batrider tipping in. The Tiny will toss him onto the Batrider. RTG is coming back in. The lasso will be used on the Snapfire. Scofield will get a kill on RTG and I think he will die. He dies to Batrider. Snapfire he got the level 6 now. The Melodic and the casket bouncing. Now the Snapfire Kiss is coming in. RTG trying to dodge. He will get hit by the last kill. That will get him the kill. RTG dash bet. He is going to the jungle. Void will catch him with the chrono. And now the Laguna Blade with the Melodic on. Bet is sure to die. And the Death Ward is out. It is hitting Mars. He's doing so much damage. Void he will escape. And now the exorcism committed. Great, he is chasing. Great will use the dome on the Crobulus. And now that's a 4-man wipe. He is hiding in the trees. Now Snapfire he will spot him and now the stun they get the kill on Tiny. Batrider is coming in. He wants the Snapfire. He will get the lasso off. And now the Swarm they will be able to kill him. Okay, he's surviving. Bad.
Hard case.
Crow will get the final hit and now Crow is in trouble. The Dragon Slave missing just off the mark. Crow she was surviving but the final hit from Creed will finish him. Creed trying to farm their jungle. Batrider there spotted him and now the arena committed. They will punish him for jungling their NC. Mid lane, the Snapfire cookie will connect. Now the Melodic, the Scatter Blast. Tiny, he will surely die with the Melodic on him, but he's trying to get some more damage before he dies. But they lose 2 for that, and now Exorcism committed. They wanna push the mid lane.
Radiant's middle tower.
Batrider tipping in. They see him with the ward. The light stagger connecting. Great. He will get the stun off and they will be able to kill him. The right click from Lina finishing. Meanwhile Tiny getting the avalanche combo on the Lina and they will be able to kill him. Scofield is jumping in and now the gobble up. They might get the kill on Tiny. Yeah. Now RTG fighting in with the crate. The kisses are coming in. Crow, she will join the fight, siphoning crate. Crate will pop the BKB and dodge the spear, and now Mars he is in trouble. He will be able to get the kill with the Infernal Blade, and now Crobulus, she is overextended. She has used the Exorcism, and she will die to Witch Doctor. They are smoked in. RTG he will break the smoke. Now Crate trying to chase to get the Doom off. He will not be able to. Now the Batrider tipping in. Crate he has overextended. They will punish him for that. Now the avalanche combo it will bring him down and Crow she dies. The Lina trapped in the arena and also the Witch Doctor. Snapfire trying to escape. Batrider he will chase him. And now Void he's got the Chrono Spear. Let's see if they pop him. he gets the 3-man Chronosphere, and with the hits they will be able to get in the gobble up. There will be enough damage to take him down. Void, he is in trouble, he is low on mana, and now the Monomer Kiss is coming in. RTG is joining the fight. RTG, he will die. Yeah, Snapfire will be able to take him down before he dies. Smoking in the Radiant jungle. He will be spotted. Tiny misses the avalanche. Lina uses the Evil Scepter. They will still be able to get the pick off on the Lina. Batrider trying to farm the mid lane.
Courier has been killed.
Crate and Snapper patiently waiting now. RTG, he will show up. He will use the doppelganger immediately. RTG, Crate trying to get the Doom off. He is chasing. Now he will get lassoed. Crate. The arena popped, he will miss. Now the Chronosphere, it will come onto 2 heroes. Void killing the Tiny. Crate, he will die. The Monoma cases, they have enough damage to take the Mars out. Snapfire chasing the Crobulus. She is very low. Batrider tipping in the top lane, trying to help Crobulus. Now the silent Batrider, he is back in the fight. He's got a double damage rune. They are chasing the Snapfire. He will manage to cookie away. And now the Scatter Blast, it will buy him some time. They get the kill on the Batrider before the Snapfire dies. Void chasing the... It's a long fight. RTG killing the Lena meanwhile. Void still chasing. One more bash. They get the bash and they get the kill. Dire. They are smoked. They want to find someone in the jungle farming. They will spot Crate. Crate getting the BKB off just before the lasso. And now the exorcism committed. The gobble up flying up with the Monoma cases. Crate, he will get stunned in the arena. They also get a Witch Doctor kill. And now they are chasing. Looks like they are chasing further. They see the Snapfire, but not enough. They are chasing Tiny. He will blink in. They will spot the Lena. Void. He will commit the Chronosphere. It's a nice 3-man Chronosphere. Void. He gets a double kill inside the Chronosphere. Now Tiny is very low. One more hit from Void. Okay, that will do it. RTG running away. They get the gobble up. They will find RTG with the gobble up, and now they find the real PL. The Snapfire cooking, connecting. They will get one more bash. RTG, he dies. Scofield tripping him. Batrider hanging outside the Rosh pit. I think he wants to steal this Roshan. Bad, Void, he will be pushed. Another Void. Bad, he manages to get the Aegis. He will die. Now Bad, he will be spawned the stun, and they will be able to kill him with the Melodic on him. Popping. Now Croak, she will run away with the Glimmer Cape. They are looking to fight this battle. Tiny, he will toss back. And now the Death Ward committed. They are still lacking the damage to kill this Tiny. Now the Scepter from the Witch Doctor. No, the Self-Heal from the Tiny. He will manage to get away with the Blink. The Melodic is still on him. He might just survive. Going in, now the Monoma Kiss is flying, the Chronosphere committed, the Monoma Kisses are coming in, the Ion will pop. Void targeting the Batrider, but he will buy back. Now Tiny coming inside, the Snapfire, he's doing a lot of damage. The arena committed, they will get the Witch Doctor, and Tiny, he will manage to escape with the Slither of HP. Now the Exorcism committed, they are trying to poke them around with the Phantom Lancer Illusion. With RTG, he will commit inside. Void gets the backline onto the Croak. RTG, he is trying to fight. Now he will commit on the Snapfire. Void coming in with the... And the Snapfire damage is too much for RTG. He is so low. RTG, he will get doomed. Crate is trying to chase him. Void, he is too strong. He is killing the Batrider alone. And now he will get the DP. RTG dies. Meanwhile, in the backline, Void going onto the Mars. The Scepter is too much.
Dire's middle tower
Now
is under
Void
attack.
trying maybe thinking of fountain diving. Yeah, he will. He's gonna go into the Tiny. They just don't care. Now Bad Rider, he will also die. He's got 47 stacks on him on the fountain. RTG, he has always some reasons
Dire's middle barracks are under attack.
whenever he loses. They are having
Dire's
fun with the
bottom
gobble
tower
up,
is
they
under attack.
pushing Creed inside.
Dire's structures
Best
are
player on
fortified.
Eastwood can
Dire's middle
KFP
barracks
0
are under
goalie.
attack.
Who wants cookies? Not too bad.
Dire's middle barracks is falling. Dire's middle barracks